I'm going to show you how to make scones. So I'm using my fruit processor to make my dough. And adding 2 cups of flour and 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon bicarbonate soda, and now we'll give a quick mix. Just about 5 seconds, not more than that. You don't have to, just 5 seconds, good enough. And then add cold butter, pulse a few times until the flour become like fine breadcrumbs, and then add 1 egg, 1/2 cup of heavy cream or 1/2 and 1/2. Pulse a few more times. And this is the final ingredient. Add 1 cup cheddar cheese or any cheese to your taste. You don't have to mix this dough too much. It's just barely until everything become together. Something like this. And then here we are going to work with our dough here and just give few foldings. You don't have to mix this too much, just don't over mix the dough, just few times, few foldings like this. And then I'm going to sprinkle some flour on the workbench and going to flatten my dough into 3/4 inch thickness. Using this cookie cutter to shape them. This is the shape I want. The leftover dough, you still can use them. Roll it all over again and make few scones from that too. Brush with heavy cream or egg. Totally up to you how you are going to, what you are going to use. And sprinkle some cheese on top. And then we are going to bake this in a preheated oven, 400 Fahrenheit, 18 to 20 minutes. Sometimes it depends on your oven, may take only 17 minutes, so have a look on that. So you can see when it's golden brown, it's ready to come out. So my one, it took about 20 minutes for me. This is after 20 minutes. I'm going to transfer this onto a cooling rack and I'm ready to enjoy these scones. So give it a try. Let me know your feedback till I see you with my next video. Stay safe and take care. Bye bye to everybody.